learn, nearest, farthest. Cat is nearest to the house. Dog is farthest from the house. Parrot is nearest to the tree. Crow is farthest from the tree. Boy is nearest to the swing. Girl is farthest from the swing. Cow is nearest to the house. Son is farthest from the house. Brown dog is nearest to the tree. White dog is farthest from the tree. Quiz. Tick the puppy farthest from the tree. Tick the tree nearest to the bird. Tick the cow farthest from the house. Tick the boy nearest to the swing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Brinav's Gallery. Thank you.